Okay, so we've come into this college, and I think it's called Balliol or Balliol College. It's got a gorgeous courtyard, and I thought there's another place I wanted to go to where they filmed Young Sherlock Holmes years ago, and I loved that film, but I thought I could see in here, and it's very similar to the place they filmed in, and it's just so lovely, with a really beautiful and quiet courtyard. And there is concessions if you have a blue badge and so on, so that's good for you guys, you know, find it hard getting around. I'll just look at that lawn. These buildings are just so beautiful. So we were just passing, literally I could see through over there, and I thought, oh, I want to come in here. So lovely. Can't get over how well kept it is, and you know how beautiful everything is there. What's in here? I mean, look at this. The chapel. Choral Eve song goes on. Just going to have a look through. A lot of these places, there's been a number of films, so I'm not going to go into detail. Very quiet in here. The organ up there. This is obviously made for tall people. Certainly not me. In memory of different ones. No idea who they are. But, wonder how old this place is. Is that a songbook there? The Tanakh, Hebrew to English. Oh, there's the it looks like the Hebrew name of God there. There we go. All the Hebrew and English. Right, so the chapel where we've just been is there, and we've come through the arches. It's really pretty, isn't it?
That's the Master's Garden.
Oh, right. Really nice. You've got a lot of history going on here. Loads of books and a library up there. Can see through. Lots of information to take in. Now that's a nice place to sit. This is a lovely place to sit, isn't it? Don't know what's going on over there. I can hear a lot of people talking. Some more beautiful, there's a load of students, girls walking around in memory of Alexander Duncan, a Balliol undergraduate who died in Kuwait on October 23rd, 1990, and he was only 19. A professor there, that's for a professor, and that's for the young man who died in Kuwait. So a lot of this, I don't know whether it's the in thing, but a lot of the students are done up to the nines, you know, with long dresses on and so on. But look at that. I wonder what they are. I'm not very good at plants. I'm not very good at plants at all. There's the chapel from outside. I didn't expect to see that Jewish book in there. That was interesting. A nice little place there to sit. Glad we came in here now. If your concessions, it's only a couple of £2 each. And I'll just show you through the gate here. Look at this. Such grand buildings. Remember seeing grand buildings like this when we went to Bangor and the university there. You want to check back on those videos if you want to see more lovely places like that. And I did a night walk of Bangor as well. It kind of reminds me of that. Isn't that a lovely place to sit?
I know, I want my photograph taken.
Okay, I shall take Gingy's photo. Okay, so took a few photos for Jill here in the garden, and so we've had a little walk through there. So I'm just, oh look, I'm always fascinated by finding windows. Oh, it's not a window, it's there's a fan there, extraction fan. Hope you could hear that then, the bells going. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just beautiful? I'm going to have to stop and take a couple of pictures. I just wanted to take a little look at this. I wonder what that was originally, or what it was from. It's obviously been part of another building. There's the chapel again, just through there. Must be nice at night here when it's all lit up. That's an impressive building that I'm just going to quickly take a look at. Oh, this is nice. This is pretty. I'll just have a little walk over here. It's just fascinating seeing all these bits and bobs going on and wondering what's the sort of the history behind it. But that's a fascinating building there, and again we've got the chapel up here. So what I'll do, I'll just go back into the courtyard over there and I'll just take a couple of pictures there. Did you see that little blackbird? Just running past. Instead of flying, it's running everywhere. I noticed it when I first came through. Right, so I didn't take any pictures of through there, so I'll just take a couple of pictures now. That's a nice room going on there. It's really nice. So I'm going to be meeting Jill through there, and we're going to walk up over that way apparently. I'll just film this bit again. That's the again the chapel there. This is such a gorgeous courtyard. I'm glad we popped in here. I'm really glad we popped in here. It's so lovely. Okay, so I'm going to take a few more photos. Okay, coming back again. Head back this way. I love that little area there. It's really nice. Look at that door. I often look at doors and window frames. What is that place? It looks like a kind of dining room. Yeah, really nice. Who knows? I don't know. And again the chapel there. So we're going to head around now. We're going to go up over there, I think. There's some more gardens around there. A buttery. Yeah, I thought he said that.
There's a sundial. Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah. When I first looked through, I hadn't noticed that. It's really nice, isn't it? Like that tree. Nice tree. Sort of a mix between the old and new there. That's a bit. Oh, conkers. Yeah, not seen conkers for a while. And that's where we've just been. Well, this was a bit of an unexpected pleasure. I've really enjoyed this bit. Nice to see. Wow, there's some stairs. So I'm sitting in the cafe just waiting for Jill. She's just gone through there, and we've decided to have a coffee here, but I'll just show you what it looks like in here. And you get served just behind here. So we finished here at the, I think it's pronounced Balliol College or Balliol, I'm not sure. I'll check when I get home. It was, we'll ask the man at the gate. But yeah, it's been, I do apologise for destroying the name, but we've really enjoyed it here. I wasn't expecting to film in here, so it was a nice step into the past, having a look at these gorgeous buildings and park areas and gardens and so on. Really nice. So again, if you're ever in Oxford, pop over and see this place. It's really lovely. Anyway, we'll get going now and I'll catch you in the next one. It'd be awesome if you like and subscribe. See you soon. Ciao. So right behind me, I just thought I'd add this on. I've asked how to pronounce the name of the college and it's Balliol. So there you go. But yeah, if you want to see the entrance, there you go. That's what you see when you're walking past here. There's loads of places to sit over there, and you get to the courtyard and so on just there. Such a pretty place. So I'll get going now. I'm going to go somewhere else.